I play a certain potion teacher, or Snape, Mr. Lockhart. I play the ghost history teacher, and I play Zach Smith, who is a puff. I play 4 different teachers, so I mainly just teach the students. I give the students a hard time, and I mainly pick on Oliver Rivers because he is a student that wants to be good at magic, but is just not.
Well, Wayne is pretty much just me. For the most part, pretty normal, but can be extremely socially awkward at times, and kind of just takes in things and doesn't really partake in a lot of things that happen a lot around him.
Puffs is a parody of Harry Potter. So it's about these friends who go and fight together, and I don't know, they just build friendships, and it's funny.
They are loud and annoying, but they're kind and funny. And they really stick by each other in some of the scenes. You can see them always being by each other. And sticking with each other in their hardest moments.
I think my favorite moment is just any moment with Harry in it, because they're all really funny, and Harry's actor Krista does an amazing job.
I auditioned for the show because I'm a really big Harry Potter fan, and I get to do it with all my friends, and they're all doing it, and it was a funny show when I read part of the script. So
Bombastic, because it's everywhere, it's crazy, and it's just off the wall sometimes, just how everyone's moving around, how fast the show is. Yeah, that's probably the word I'd use.
It's different because we're more focused on the Hufflepuffs rather than the Gryffindors, so we're focusing on a part that's not usually stood out as much.
LHS Drama presents Puffs, April 29th and 30th at 7 p.m. and May 1st at 2:30 p.m. Adults $10 and students $5. Tickets available at www.mchalpac.com or at the door.